All right, guys. The last time I showed you the inside of the cabin was from the other side. This side's actually a lot easier to take down, you know, and this is a lot more sturdier piece of plywood. So I'll just unscrew it, slide it over, and this was the kitchen right through here. The floor is a little more stable, at least in the kitchen, anyway. All right, let's get cooking. I haven't noticed. Used to be a thermometer here. The grating is on here, but the actual thermometer itself is gone. Just in case there are any critters. Okay. As you can see, a lot of debris. They even ripped out the kitchen sink. Floor's kind of spongy. I mean, you can see right there, floor's caved in a little bit. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, you see there's the floor's caved in right there. Jesus Christ. What a nightmare. You feel the floor is kind of spongy. Get out. Well, Jesus Christ. All right. I mean, you know, what are you doing? It's like kicking the walls in. Animals. All right. I'm gonna start cleaning up, I guess. Why the heck not? Well, let's see if we can really get yeah, I don't know about this. I mean, yeah, I don't like the feel of it. I was gonna try to, yeah, maybe see the other bedrooms in the back. The floors actually on that side of the house, I think, are better because they were sistered, you know. We saw that underneath. But seems fairly sturdy in here. All right, I'm gonna clean some of this crap up. I mean, a lot of this stuff, garbage that's in here looks not extremely old, but I guess, 20 years isn't that long ago. All right, let's clean some of this stuff up. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, how much crap is in there? What am I doing cleaning it up? you know, if I can't save this place, what's the point in cleaning up the inside? I more or less want to open it up, show you the inside from this side, and I was actually hoping to, walk through the cabin a little bit, maybe get to see the other side of the see the two bedrooms here. I've seen them through the open windows when I before I boarded it up, and I think those floors are probably better because we saw them from underneath. They're sistered and a lot more stable. I'm telling you, man, when I was walking over here, didn't feel like much was underneath me. The last thing I need is to fall through, hurt something. You can't fall that far because it's just a crawl space underneath. But you could, it's probably like, 3 or 4 feet. No, not 4 feet, about 3 feet. But you could easily get hurt falling through that floor. I'm sure you realize that. So, there's no point to cleaning up. I screwed the plywood back up. It's a nice day. You know what? I'll wipe off the bench, do a little bit of fishing, and I'll head home. There's not a whole heck of a lot for me to do with this cabin quite yet. We'll find out what kind of critters or spiders are underneath there. I don't need to get bit and get hurt. I mean, even if I know it's not going to kill me, but you really want to deal with some kind of really annoying bug bite? I don't. So that's it for this week, guys. I appreciate you tagging along. I may not come up here for a while. It's not a whole heck of a lot for me to do. They're working as far as the modular home goes. It'd be great if it was here. I wanted it done for last Thanksgiving. Certainly not going to be done for this Thanksgiving. That's only a couple weeks away. By the time you're seeing this, it might be Thanksgiving. But it's going to be put in there. And last I heard, the modular house itself, all of it's done. It's sitting in the factory, and we're just waiting on permits. So, I don't know what the deal is. Maybe I'll give them a call. That's the last I heard. They obviously have to come up and clear the build site. I want them to do some work on the driveway. Not all of it, just so that, the big bumps, I want them to fix. They got to do some work on the easement for the power lines. The guy from MedEd had asked me to do some of it. I don't think I have to do any of it technically, but, that's another story. If I don't, then maybe I'll just have them do it. But I wanted to help them out because, quite frankly, there's a lot. I may need their help, but I need them to help me out. The last pole is right here with the transformer on it. They said they would remove the last pole, put the transformer on the second to last pole, and then trench from the second to last pole to the house. So if I need them to do favors for me, I'll do a little bit for them. All right, guys, thanks again, and I hope to see you soon.